Sa start ng game na ito, Sedel.
Yep, and Buluto.
Game nakita natin, I was looking at sa bench nitong mga QC. Si Nimes na wala pa, na alam naman natin scorer din.
Oo. And Jason Ballesteros scores underneath and patient in Quezon City.
And again with Jason Ballesteros, no, though averaging almost close to double digit in terms of rebounding, pero yung scoring niya.
Known as a scorer, itong si Jason.
Oo, pero I think he can do better than 2.6 points per game.
That's true though. Court. William Bing, change of pace, layup. He gets the 2 points. Arim, here's Buluto. Only 2 points for Batangas, make that 4.
At ng mga best scorers nitong Batangas is yung second unit nitong QC na. Ito yung sinasabi natin sa Delph, yung mga scorers nila will come in.
It's great interception. Baeng Are, 2 points. Keep his balance there, Rosari.
Ang laki ni Porter.
Oo. De La Virgen with a runner. From beyond the arc.
And from that sequence, no, we hear it from here. Yung communication nitong Ram Master after
in the second period.
And you know, that's why you appreciate both coaches because that's the hard sell. Alam mo yun, yung mapadepensa mo.
And Jason Ballesteros sealed by Porter. Porter with that hook over Jason Ballesteros. MJ gets into the lane. De La Virgen. That's a tough shot. MJ De La Virgen.
Is it Batangas talk about scoring in this quarter?
Don Ochea jumper is good. Everyone in the Philippines to showcase their skills. Mosqueda with that one-hander.
Specialty of the house.
No. Rebound goes to Porter. Don Ochea. That's a tough finish. Galing kay Don Ochea. Near the basket. Tied at 19. 3:30 remaining in the first half. De Soyo steps into the three and knocks it down.
That was his shot.
Here's Jong forcing that one. Ochea, yes sir. 6 points and 6 rebounds off the bench para kay Don Ochea. Ibayan goes middle. The kick out to Are. 3 ball, yes. Keeping it simple that time. 5 on the shot clock. Chino Mosqueda, down low they go. Roman on the reverse. One-on-one with Mark Cruz. Are gets some separation and the jumper drops para kay Paeng Are. 10-point lead for Quezon City. Cruz. Levi Hernandez. Yes. That's a long two para kay Levi Arim. Tubayan shaken up. And Mark Cruz scores on the other end. 6-point lead for Quezon City. Mosqueda, yes.
Yung capability nila, yung make-a-ball shots nila, nag-doubt na sila.
Oh, great move. Galing kay CJ Isit.
Hernandez
Yep, Isit. Cruz, free throw line jumper is good. So 4 points para kay Mark Cruz.
Cruz was firing blanks nung buong third quarter but nailed an important three-pointer to seal the win for Negros.
Yambing knocks down the 3. And he finds Yambing for his 10th point. Missed his first 2 as CJ Isit. Yambing will try again. No.
Yeah.
Roman with the rebound.
This is gonna be big.
Corner 3 is good para kay Mike Are. Sawat. Mike Are for 3. Too strong. And Kenji Roman puts it in for 2. Plus the foul. Remaining. Baloria lost it. Are on the run. Mike Are. And he puts it in for two. Masyadong in-anticipate ni De La Vergen shoot against Apinan. Mosqueda has to fire. No. Are with the offensive rebound. Getting that offensive rebound. MJ. Yes.
Finally. And which he will give Paeng Are space to operate.
Porter sa ilalim against Ballesteros. Shoots over him.
Offensive rebounding eh.
Yep. Ayun nga nangyari dun. Are, jumper. He'll get the bounce. Paeng Are with 10 points in the ball game. De La Vergen gives it up to Apinan. MJ, drop pass to Baloria. Point advantage para sa Quezon City. Bienes. Paeng. Nice pass to Yamping. Basket and one. De La Vergen gets it to Apinan. Drives left. Jexter beats Ballesteros to the spot. Are. Now with Jason Ballesteros against Porter. Can shoot over him. Oh! Loving the face-up game. Galing kay Jason Ballesteros. De La Vergen gets away from the D and banks in the layup. CJ Isip. Ochea. Porter nakapwesto sa ilalim. Porter puts it in for two. And kompleto ang Plans brand ng Pilipinas. No good on the free throw. Baloria! Game 1-point lead for Quezon City. Yambing fires. Yes! Basket plus the foul. Jexter Apinan. Levi Hernandez. Three-pointer. Yes! Buhay pa dito yung Batangas. So, Baloria. Corner three. Oh! A twist in the tail. Quezon City, watch out for the three-pointer para dito sa Batangas. MJ for three. Yes! 5.5 seconds remaining.
I said that 2 free throws lang eh. They're up by 3.
Levi is found a stroke. Levi Hernandez.
That's the 4th straight three-pointer for Batangas.
Babalik at ano din eh. Babalik din eh. Paeng Are. Ochea wins the loose ball battle. Hernandez again. Are, no foul. Ballesteros on the stick back.
Imagine, for the first 4 quarters, ang bagal nung laro. 2-point lead by Batangas.
MJ De La Vergen, step back three. Hand in his face, no problem. MJ De La Vergen. Yambing, top of the key, three-pointer, yes! Yambing, good look, Yambing, no! Hernandez with the rebound and Batangas.
That's a good night, Adel.
With an incredible comeback in regulation.